Hello. So today we will be learning about 7.1 and I will be talking about the different formulas that you will be using. So first off, we have the distance formula, and you can use this formula in many different ways. You can use it to determine whether or not sides are congruent, or if diagonals are congruent. So the distance formula is D is equal to x2 minus x1 in parentheses squared plus y2 minus y1 in parentheses squared, and it is also in a root. Okay. So this is the distance formula. So another formula that you would be using is the midpoint formula. You can use this formula to find out whether or not diagonals bisect each other. You can also find the coordinate of the midpoint. So the formula is midpoint is equal to parentheses x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So the last formula I'll be talking about today is none other than the slope formula. You can use this formula to determine whether or not diagonals are perpendicular and or sides are perpendicular. You can also use this to find out whether or not opposite sides are parallel. So the slope formula is m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So I'll be using these three formulas: the distance, the midpoint, and the slope formulas. To classify triangles, you can classify different types of quadrilaterals, and also classifying parallelograms. Okay, so for the first question, we are going to be able to classify the triangle ABC. So the first step is you want to label out the vertices. So A, B, and C are the vertices of this triangle. So we have 1, 6, we have 5, 6, and we have 5, 0. So let's label out. So A is 1, 6, and B is 5, 6. Wait. 5, 6, and C is 5, 0. So we'll be using the distance formula. So let's write that down. So radical sign, okay, x1 minus x2 parentheses squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. Okay. So in order to classify this triangle, we will have to find the measurements of each side. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, let's see. So these are the x's and these are the y's. Okay, let's start off with AB. Okay, so let's see. Let's write it down. So 1 x1 1 minus 5 squared plus, let's see, what's y1? 6 minus 6 squared. Okay, let's see. 1 minus 5 is -4. -4 squared 16. -4. And then let's do the other side. 6 minus 6 is 0. 0 squared is 0. So 16 plus 0 is 16 squared. 16 square root is 4. So the answer, so line AB is 4. So line AB is a measurement of 4. So now let's do line BC. So this is 4. Okay, now let's do BC. Okay. 5, so 5 minus 5 squared plus y 1 6 minus 0 squared. So 5 minus 5 is 0, so 0 squared is 0 plus 6 minus 0 is -6. So -6 squared is 36. Okay, so we have 36. And we can, the square root of 36 is 6. Therefore, BC is a measurement of 6. Okay. So, last but not least, we will have to find the measurement of CA. So, let's fill in the blanks. So, x1 is 5 minus 1 squared plus y1 is 0 minus 6 squared. Okay, so 5 minus 1 is 4, and 4 squared is 16. So 16 plus 0 minus 6 is -6, and -6 times, -6 squared is 36. So 36 plus 16 is 52. Yep, 52. And that's 52 with a radical sign. Okay, so we can further simplify this down. So let's see, 52 divided into 4. 13. Yep. And then we can do this 2, 13. So that's the distance from C to A is 2 and 3. So as we can see, this ABC is probably a scaling triangle because all three of them are different. So that is a scaling triangle. So 4, then this is 6, and this is 213. This is 213. 213. So this is a scaling triangle. Okay, so that's it.